Welcome to another Genius class by Life Genius India, your gateway into a community that is passionate about home life, cooking and fabric care, brought to you by LG. So in just a few short minutes, like I said, Akansha Sharma, our special guest, is going to be joining us, and we are going to dive into how to curate and build a capsule wardrobe that works for you and lasts you through the ages. So we have Nidhi over here, who by the way is a returning candidate with us. Yes, you were there for the last class as well, I remember. So what are you feeling now? What are your thoughts for this one?
I think it's a wonderful event. What you're doing is something very different for the community, for people, for LG users.
For a glowing recommendation for us. And Nidhi, tell me, how would you describe your personal style?
My personal style is very moody. Depends on the weather, depends on the occasion. I love putting together a whole look for sure, where it's matching right, starting right from the clothing which suits me, my age, my taste, and be it the accessories or the hair or a small little thing which just stands out, and the footwear. You just have to be presentable at all times is what I feel. I prefer the Western look or a fusion because that's more comfortable, if I may say so. But yes, if the occasion demands, I absolutely love ethnic and Indian wear too.
I am sure you're going to love this one. Honestly, I'm really excited for you to experience the class and let us know what you think later on. So we have a very, very special guest here today. This is Sapna Varshe, and she is actually the winner of the My LG Story contest, which happened earlier this year, and she has won a beautiful LG washing machine. Sapna, this is your first Life Genius India event. Thank you, by the way, for making it all the way here. Very, very lovely to see you. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very nervous and very excited for the event.
Why are you nervous?
Because this is my first time.
It's okay, we're all chill here. Yeah. What are you expecting here? What are your thoughts so far?
See, the first thing I'm expecting that I'm going to make new friends and I'm going to learn some new things, how I'm going to manage my wardrobe, my clothes, and how to I'm going to take care of my fabrics.
Okay, I want a show of hands. How many of you have opened your wardrobes and basically said, "Kuch पहनने के लिए नहीं है यार." I have. Oh, so many people. Yes, me too. Exactly. Yes. That's a problem that we're going to solve today, and that's something that we're going to teach you today with our very special guest. She has been blazing a trail through the Kannada, the Telugu, the Hindi film industries through recent releases like Trivikarma, Kesari Veer and more. And she also has a couple of really exciting releases coming up like Main Tera Yaar Jugnu and Disco Dancer. So please put your hands together for one of the most exciting and freshest faces in the industry right now, Akansha Sharma. Hi, how are you? Lovely to see you. And these are all the happy faces waiting for you. Let's have a seat. Yeah. Akansha, before we dive into things, just wanted to have a quick discussion with you. What's your personal style like?
When I'm not on sets, I am in my cottons, linens, very loose and relaxed outfits. But with that also, I like to stand out, right? So what I do? I bring in a pop of color, maybe like a red or a green, and pair it with something that's more subtle, and add my statement pieces, maybe like a bold earring or something that gives me, So that's my personal style.
Lovely. And what's your take on capsule wardrobes? Like, have you ever experimented with one?
I think my personal wardrobe, you can maybe call it a capsule wardrobe only because it's full of basics, and I genuinely love to experiment a lot with different pieces. And I think they're very sustainable and they're very affordable. You have your basics, right? Your denims, your tees, your whatever dresses. And what we do in a capsule wardrobe is we mix and match those basic pieces to form different creative layers every day. So this keeps your creativity alive, right? And you don't even have to spend a lot on a big elaborate wardrobe.
And what specifically about this class is really, really exciting to you? What are you excited about here?
What I'm here for. I'm really excited to introduce all of you to the new LG washing machine. Curating a capsule wardrobe isn't just about curating a timeless wardrobe. It's also about keeping all these clothes fresh over all these years, because you have a very minimal set of clothes, right? So how do you take care of them? You have to choose the right fabric, you have to choose the right silhouettes for yourself, and make sure that you care for them, you wash them, and you give them the right amount of care so they last you longer. And with that, we have the latest LG washing machine. The magic that it does is it comes with the new AIDD 2.0 technology, which is going to bases the fabric type, the weight of the load and the soil level, customize the wash cycle for you. So you don't have to do nothing, just sit back, relax, throw all your clothes in the washing machine, and it does everything for you.
Yeah. So really nifty sort of, product that we're going to dive into. And thank you so much for your insights on it. Let's dive straight in. So I'm just going to explain a little bit about the structure of how we're doing this. So part one, we are going to be diving into how you actually build the wardrobe. And then part two, we have a very, very fun sort of activity. We're going to divide you all into groups. And then whatever you have picked up as sort of knowledge here, you guys will be styling one look. And then we are going to see what kind of creative chops and styling chops you guys have brought to the floor. So we're going to take a quick 5-minute break.
I'm really excited.
Yes.
The first thing we're going to be building is our staples. These are some basic pieces that you need to have, you need to get them right. You're going to be mixing and matching a lot of them, so these basics have to be right.
So let's start with the first piece that we'll have.
I think a really good white shirt.
Something
you can
like
have
this.
some sort of detailing or work on it, so you can mix and match them with a lot of outfits. The second one being some trusted bottoms. I'd say you get 3 kinds of bottoms for variety. Number 1 could be a pair of black pants.
Yeah.
For a more formal look, a pair of tailored trousers can be beige in color, which can work for more casual situations. And the third one being a midi skirt, which flatters your body type. And then you need a really good pair of denims, and listen to me, leave the skinny jeans out. Get the wide-legged ones, because that's what we're here about, right? I mean, I would literally sleep in my wide-legged denims. I'd literally go out everywhere in my wide-legged ones. Now we have some classic dresses that are not black. Avoid black. You don't want to be boring like me, but you could do something like a grey or a maroon and bring all the vibrant colors in. I think a grey and a maroon are really good colors to have, and they also allow you to make a lot of combinations out of them. And then you have the basic tank tops and tees to go with all your denims and your trousers. And because we're in India, a kurta, kurti, and you can keep it very Indo-Western, so it can be worn as a dress or just as a simple kurta. Personal favorite as well, because I like to keep my Indian side always alive. And then lastly, a really good, proper, nice structured blazer, which is modern and dressy. Throw it on a dress and just see how it changes the whole look. And you can go from like a day event to a night event with these kind of blazers in a minute. So basics sorted, now let's do the looks. first we're going to look at creating an elegant office look. I assume most of us are working professionals here. Are we? Okay, great. So our first look, we're going to start off with the green top.
So we have our wonderful model here, Ritika, as well, who's going to be wearing the outfits for us.
And pants, black pants.
Yes. How about these ones?
Perfect. Over to you, Ritika. Thank you.
While she's changing, we can also talk about how we choose the fabrics for a capsule wardrobe.
Okay, that's a very interesting question because for a capsule wardrobe, you need to have the right kind of fabric, the right silhouette, because you have to make them last for a very long time. Go for fabrics that you can wash and care for easily. The LG washing machine comes with AIDD 2.0 technology, so basically every time you're putting clothes in, the AI wash program detects the type of fabric, weight of the load and the soil level. This machine optimizes the cycle for you, which saves you from segregating clothes. But the best part here is that you can just throw all your load in and the LG washing machine's 6-motion direct drive technology will clean your clothes from every direction possible. And you can see it all right here on the digital display.
So cotton and linen and all of these are very absorbent fabrics as well. They're very sturdy fabrics. So no matter how many times you wash them, multiple times, they can stand the wear and tear of being thrown into the wash. So that's always recommended for something like a capsule wardrobe.
Look how seamless this look is. I feel you look beautiful in this outfit, and it's such a well designed green. It goes really well with the black, and there's so many ways to switch this up. If you have a relaxed casual evening dinner brunch, you can pair this top with a pair of white leg denims as well.
So something like this would work for a more casual sort of look.
Or if you want something more dressy yet graceful, it can be paired with beige bands.
So this is a more formal sort of look here. So if for example, if you're going to an office and you have something to do after that, this is something that would go well. It goes really well.
If you have a date night kind of an event, maybe wear the purple halter neck with these pants. I think that would just oomph it up.
And what you can also do is maybe include, say like a really nice accordion midi sort of skirt here as well. So you can wear something like this as well, which is a very nice, elegant, feminine sort of silhouette. And you can create a really nice color block moment for this as well.
So now for look 2, we're going to create a very quiet, luxury inspired, relaxed look. So you can wear this for a brunch or even a casual meeting. And usually for quite luxury looks, people go for all white looks, but that's so boring, guys. I mean, so what we're going to do here is pick the striped linen pants.
How about these ones? Ritika,
and then let's do a white shirt.
Right. Let's go for a solid one. Yeah.
Sure, let's do that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ritika.
Yeah. So one of the questions that we actually received from a lot of our attendees, a lot of women, who are heavier on the top, they want to know some styling tips. So basically, myself included, my shoulders are, really broad, and wearing strappy tops, for example, is a challenge. So is there any styling tip, or is there any kind of, stuff that we can keep in mind when we're styling ourselves?
I think that's a great question because a lot of us women struggle with that, right? But I think the key here is balance. And I'd say balance it out by moving the visual focus lower down. If you want to wear straps, go for broad straps and square necklines. That really makes a lot of difference. And if you're looking for tops or blazers, go for something structured, not droopy, and with something that creates a lot of balance with your shoulders, and it won't make your torso look fuller.
Something like this, which basically accentuates the highest point of your waist and takes the attention away from shoulders. What you want to avoid is something like this, which is like a droopy sort of silhouette, So it's basically going to make the shoulders look a little bit more bulky, which is what we're trying to avoid.
Hi, welcome back.
She is changing at the speed of light, by the way.
And look at how chic this looks. It's just the right kind of effortless, and the shirt, the pants and the top, they give a very relaxed vibe, and you can pair this with nice flats or a chic bag, If you want to dress it up a little bit, you can tie a little scarf around your neck. And if you want to create a more relaxed look, you can switch out the shirt, the top, and with a solid colored shirt.
Yeah.
You want to put the scarf on and see?
Yeah, you can, if you can try and put the scarf on.
Come on,
yeah,
help
you can
you.
do, yeah.
Just put it around the neck like this. And there you have it. I mean, to me that makes a lot of difference.
And you can also do something like a solid colored, like Akanksha had just mentioned. So this is a very, monochromatic sort of look. It's very effortless, it's very chic. The linen pants give it a very relaxed, very quiet luxury
It's
kind of
very
vibe.
French Riviera.
Very French Riviera aesthetic, yes.
Right. Thank you. So we've talked about creating looks according to occasions, but let's look how these staples can be mixed and matched for statement pieces. For example, I have this beautiful polka dot. Now if you want to dress this up, I would select this accordion pleated skirt.
Here you go.
Perfect. And let's do these heels and some dainty jewelry.
Yeah, we'll have heels, Ritika wear heels, and we have some dainty jewelry options. So
For a feminine look.
yeah, very elegant sort of silhouette here. So another question that we got from people was, how often do you need to wash your clothes? Since you have limited number of pieces in a capsule wardrobe,
Right.
Would washing them often wear them out?
Washing clothes really depends on two factors, the fabric type and usage, how you use that fabric. Some fabric you need to wash them a lot, like cottons and linens, and some fabrics, like I told you guys earlier, you can just wash them after ages and they're fine. But what's interesting here is that as far as the detergent is concerned, we all are a little bit skeptical about overexposing our clothes to detergents. But this machine comes with an easy dispense. It basically calculates the type and the weight of the fabric and then automatically dispenses the right amount of detergent for your fabric. So I think that's wonderful because you're not overexposing your clothes to the detergent, and that saves you the clothes for a longer time. Look what a gorgeous ensemble this is. It looks so chic and elegant. It's such a great example of how you can rework statement pieces, and if you like something that's a little more casual, you can pair it with the white denims
So this top with these denims, yeah.
or the black trousers.
But let's do these, yeah.
Perfect.
So right now we're just sort of looking at, we've discussed occasions, but we're also looking at how this was a staple piece, these are a staple piece, right? How you can mix and match them with certain statement pieces. Because when you're building a capsule wardrobe, the thing to understand is that you should have your staples right. The statements can go in and out. But if your staples are right, the statements are always going to work for you.
Correct. This denim jacket and pair
here
it with
you
like
go.
a striped crop top.
Yes, let's do the crop top and let's do the denim.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
here you go.
Um,
Or let's do like the linen pants that we had earlier,
We
the
can do
green
that as
linen
well.
pants.
We
Yeah.
can do that as
Because
well.
another question actually that we received was that a lot of women are also conscious about their bellies, right? They're very conscious about wearing something that draws too much attention to it. And one of the things that really helps with it apparently is a peplum top. So how can you style a peplum top?
That's such a relatable question, right? I think most of us women, even me, on bloated days, even I feel like I need to hide this belly. But a good thing that you can do is pair your peplum top with wide-legged bottom, so that gives you a nice flowing silhouette. Don't wear skinny or tapered bottoms with peplum tops. Also go for tops where the yoke ends not lower than the belly. It's going to give such a better shape and take attention away from the belly.
It sort of makes you look taller and it creates a sort of A kind of silhouette. So it just flows better than, if you would wear like a tapered bottom or like a skinny jeans. So you should avoid skinny jeans with peplum tops.
Well, what a cool ensemble, right? Lovely you're looking. And if you want to add a little bit more color, you can pair this with a yellow tank top and these green linen stripes.
So the
pants,
stripes are here, but
which
we
we've
also
already
have,
used.
Yeah,
We
so
have
we
another.
also have these.
Correct.
Yeah.
I
it's-
love how we've mixed and matched so much, and looks like a completely different outfit coming
Yeah.
from the same thing.
So there's a pop of color here, and of course, don't be shy about getting, say, like 2 of the same kinds of clothes, because these are staple pieces. You'll use them everywhere.
Right. And of course, we can't forget about our dresses, right? A lot of us here are corporate professionals. So let's have a look at this maroon sheath dress. Lovely. This is understated but very flattering, and we're going to style this with a classic black blazer.
This one.
Yes.
I'm actually really excited to see how this looks.
Yeah. Why don't you just wear the dress and come and we give you the blazer?
Yeah. So another question that we got from the audience was mid-size girlies. Please raise your hands if you are a mid-size girly. Here, me too. So any advice for the mid-size girlies?
I love this question. First of all, even if you feel like it, avoid oversized clothes. I know not everyone is comfortable with slim fits, but you can go for like rather relaxed outfits or regular outfits.
So if you're comfortable with it, you can also try out like body shapers. So and that's something that's really up to you. Some people prefer it, some people don't. But it can also help you enhance your your curves, because that's like the best
Honestly,
part.
I'm a big fan of curves, and I would
Here as
flaunt
well.
my curves.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I think this is a pretty good closure for all our looks, right?
Yeah.
Please come here. To throw the blazer on as well.
Oh, one second. Let me help you.
Perfect. I would love that. I would do a fashion shoot in that.
And the good thing is, I think where it really works is not really taking away from the overall shape of the dress.
Correct.
Because it's so structured and it's cinched at the waist a little bit. So you still see the silhouette of the dress.
Right.
So we're going to take a quick 5-minute break. Please feel free to have food. And in that time, we're going to figure out what teams you guys are going to be divided in. And we're going to get the clothes ready for you. So all you have at your disposal, and no cheating, okay? Anybody's carrying a scarf or whatever, I don't want it here. Only the clothes here, and the bags here, and the shoes here. Those are the only things that you're allowed to use in order to create one look. Just one look, and Akansha here will be reviewing the clothes and letting us know what she thinks. Really excited to start this again. Team 1, I think you guys can now come up and select your pieces. So while you do, come here. Okay.
So what we were going for was classy and timeless along with casual. So she's carrying it off really well.
I think you guys have done a fab job, because the kind of effortless sophistication that doesn't try too hard, I think that's a perfect blend of sophistication and timeless charm. This is something that speaks of quiet luxury, and it could be worn at literally a yacht. Or, I personally absolutely love the way they've styled this as well. And the sambas that come from the 60s, my favorite. So great job, guys.
Thank you. Okay, let's have the second team come up. So you guys can choose your clothes. If you want to retain anything from that look, you can.
I'm a content creator, so this is like everyday life, no? Yeah, I have a glam room in my house. That means there is a whole room dedicated to clothes, accessories, bags and everything. When we got the team together, Sheena suggested that she wanted a corporate look and I wanted to go with like Italian vibes. Italian old money vibes. So we kind of tried to put it all together, and this is what we came up with.
Both of you look really invested in the whole look, and I would like to say that I didn't see something like this coming, and kudos to you guys for bringing something like this together, which looks so well structured and well put together, and it has a very polished aura about this that screams very classy, and it also gives high fashion to me. So this is something that you could carry to those South Delhi parties, and also go to like all those fashion weeks looking so high fashion. I personally love it. I think it's a great look.
Let's have the next team come up.
Yeah, so we just wanted, you know, like a corporate girly who is not holding back on any style. And I've read this story I've read this theory somewhere that like you reach like a point of 7 and you give like basic prints, basic clothes like 1 point, and like printed clothes 2 points, and you know the ultimate goal is just to reach 7. So I feel we have done this, like, you know, the blazer gets 1, 1, 1, and everything gets 1, and we've, you know, just tried to reach a 7. So yeah.
I love that. I think the whole 1+1 idea is really cool. I've never heard of it before. So kudos to you, Sneha, for teaching me that today. Yeah. And this outfit looks really well structured and put together. And if I was a corporate girly, I think I would be wearing this. It gives me, it also gives me quite luxury, and it's giving me major boss vibes. Something that, you know, I would myself want to carry on. So great job, team.
And thank you so much for joining us today. Make sure to join the Life Genius India community on Facebook for more information on such events, contests and activities. And what's more, joining the community today gets you an instant
special discount coupon on your LG products. So guys, go and get your discount coupons, and I'll see you guys very soon.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us today. Have a lovely, lovely round of applause.
Passionate about fabric care, cooking or home life? Join the Life Genius India Facebook community today for information on exciting events, exclusive access to LG products. Get the chance to win amazing prizes by participating in community events and contests. What's more? Become a member today and get an instant exclusive discount coupon applicable on the purchases of select LG products.